Hey guys, what's up? And this is my first video of the week. And my parcel just arrived from TikTok shop. So I already opened it because I didn't open the actual thing. So I got dumpling because I was too excited. So these are the options. It's not taped, so I'm concerned. So I want to get the glitter or any, but except the green. The light green, yes, and not the blue, not the yellow because they look weird. Will you find the super rare sugar bear dumpling? Is it sugar textured? I wouldn't say. 3, 2, 1. Okay. It don't got any you know, squish like the gummy bears. It's not a real dumpling, sadly. It's so good ASMR and a good relief squishy. There's glitter on my hands because I'm concerned. Now I'm concerned. Maybe they put glitter on the outside, I don't know. But I'm so happy. Thank you for watching. Bye!